You'll see those hippie folk on that cover. See of those singing crows, or even ponders if he enjoys the work. While he takes the front row and he's some more. Little his notes is come dream of on.
I won, like always. Please, don't do this. Oh my god. Are you begging?
Huh? Holy shit! Well, looks like it's time for me to bounce!
Is it an accident?
No, actually, it's a murder.
Who's the victim?
You are.
You want a taste of my brain? Okay, it's yours anyway. A bite of my eye. Alright, I won't put up a fight. How about today? You try eating someone else for a change because
I came here only because you promised me a delicious dessert. Well, yeah, I was referring to myself. Ew, no.
Just as I was about to take my shoes off of the rooftop, there I see a girl with braided hair here before me. Despite myself, I go and scream, hey, don't do it, please. I would take a bullet for you just to prove my love, only to find out you are the one holding the...
You like Otasaku Man even though you're a grown-up? Yeah, I love him. That's kind of weird.
See the horns on my head, they're from goddesses, goddesses. Oh God. I never knew what it meant to be content with you. Everything I expressed, I professed and never quite made it through.
Acted like a liar, they called me a liar. When I acted like a rich man, they started the rumor I was rich. When I feigned indifference, they classified me as the indifferent type. But when I inadvertently groaned because I was really in pain, they started the rumor that I was faking suffering. Barkeep, 1 glass of bleach, please.
We're all out.
Oh, that's a shame. How about a bleach-based cocktail?
We're all out. Looks like you're out of luck.
I was chasing after you. I don't give a fuck about you anyways. Whoever said I give a shit about you? You never share your toys or communicate. I guess.
And get this, his suicide note was stuck to the fridge with a Cookie Monster magnet. All he wrote on it, Nicole's fault. I'm Nicole, by the way. Hi, what the fuck did I do to him?
I am the jester, my job's to entertain. And it seems that soon enough it too will be my job to reign over all that you see, over all that you know, as the king is slowly dying.
Your skin is warm like an oven. Your kiss is sugary sweet. Your fingers feel like cotton when you put your arms around me. I feel like I'm just missing something whenever you. You've been running your last year, last grinding night years. How can a human lose their self-control? There's nothing left to make you whole. I'm done explaining. This is because it can be her. Maybe mistakes will make me hurt. I can't fix you.
We'll take it all away.
No, actually, we'll give you things, cause stealing's not okay.
Like beds of nails and swarms of bugs.
Or cupcakes and a bunch of hugs.
We'll make them pay.
They'll want to stay,
Don't scare them all away.
Should I choose a noble occupation? If I did, I'd only show up late and sick, and they would stare at me with hatred. Plus, my
You can tell from the scars on my arms and the cracks in my hips and the dents in my car and the blisters on my lips that I'm not the carefulest of girls. You can tell from the glass on the floor and the strings that are breaking, and I keep on breaking more, and it looks like I am.
I fell in love with him, but he wasn't in my life. The craziest run that you've ever had. You think I'm psycho, you think I'm gone. Tell the psychiatrist something is wrong. Over the bed, entirely bonkers. You like. There I am again. I am the rot and the ache beneath your skin. I am the angel sent down from above. I am the cancer swimming deep in your blood. Praise be the heavens, praise me I'm the. To you, I'm better off once. Your misery really hurts too much to bear. It's like I'm better off once. My happiness is never cared for. Nobody on the phone that I'd be better off left on the ground. It's not my decision if I make it through the night, and I keep crashing through collisions like a diamond eye. Love is a decision that can steep within the night, but I still see it in my vision till the afterlife. Love. Is that blood on me or blush? So what? You know I'm not a saint, but I can make you pray. So get down on your knees, give me a reason I should stay. I'm done with the noise, I cannot bear my sorrow. I hate who I was before. I fear I won't live to see the day.
Show me a word that rhymes with pavement, and I will kill your parents and roast them on a spit. And don't you try to etch it.
Take away the pillar of salt. It's not my fault. The devil made me do it, but I also kinda wanted to.
내가 맛을 버렸으니까 시세하다 힘들이